are you doing? Slowly! What are you doing? Yuck, it's ugly.
Where?
What are you doing? No, what you're doing, what you're writing on your paper is ugly. Wow, number 2.
I show you how, but I make it a see, and you make it a number 2 and what? Ears and
Feet.
this.
Good. You make a laugh. Come on, you laugh.
I'm very good. I'm very
You're writing on the bed.
This number 2, Mommy.
Close to number 2. You laugh, come on. Don't cover your mouth. You laugh, come on. I wanna see you laugh.
What did you say?
Laugh.
What did you say when covering the number 2?
I don't know to you. Come on, you make a flower. Good! I'm so proud of you.
Good baby.
You laugh.